Welcome to another home listed by Pam Patrick with Highlands Realty in Abingdon, Virginia. Call or text Pam at 276-356-5432 to schedule your viewing today. Location, location, location. This brick home is located on one of the charming historical streets in Bristol, Virginia, making it convenient to all your needs. Built in 1945, lovingly restored to accentuate its original character with a few modern touches. You will find 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths and over 3,000 total square feet. Generous rooms with original oak flooring can be found throughout the home. The first floor offers some open feel between the living, dining and kitchen areas. This beauty also has a main level master bedroom, an ensuite and 2 closets, one a walk-in closet with laundry hookup. Upstairs are 2 spacious bedrooms and a full bath with a mix of classic and modern touches. The basement offers a great flex space that can function as an oversized bedroom with a lounging area / study nook or whatever may fit your family's needs / wants, a den for the teenagers, man cave, kids play area, workout space, office, crafts, etc.